Welcome back to the channel, you guys. Today we're going to be talking about 6 ways to monetize your blog without the need for a massive audience. This may seem paradoxical, but if you want to generate money from your blog, you should focus on the money first and the content second. What sorts of material you post and how you expand in the long run will be determined by your monetization plan. To begin, you should think like an entrepreneur rather than an artist. Depending on the type of blog you establish, there are a variety of methods to make money from it. Twinning in a low investment business with a blog, for example, gives a long-term opportunity to expand for a little more than time and energy. While advertisements may be a lucrative method to monetize your site, they require a lot of traffic to be economically successful. Thankfully, there are many more methods for a beginner blogger to make money quickly without having a large following. Now, before we begin, please smash the like button, subscribe to this channel for more great content, and leave a comment down below letting me know that you subscribe. Your help is greatly appreciated. Now, the first option is to create and sell a book. James Clear is an excellent example of someone who has done this. To commercialize his site and leverage on the information he learned over years of publishing posts, James created the book Atomic Habits after starting a self-development blog. This book, which was available in both digital and print editions, not only made his blog financially feasible, but it also put him on the top of the New York Times bestsellers list. Now, the second option is to start an affiliate marketing site. Through this type of website, you may earn a commission when you sell a partner's goods using this strategy. Affiliate commissions may build up and be a terrific method to create passive money if done correctly. The third option here is to develop digital products. Bloggers may find that selling online courses is a natural method to make money. Successful bloggers are skilled content developers, and courses build on your existing expertise. The fourth option is to create physical products. The physical items should be in line with the brand's overall message. Glossier, for example, is a cosmetics company that came out of Emily Weiss's fashion blog, Into the Gloss, and this is an example of this. The fifth option is to offer services. If you want to be a blogger, you need to be an expert in a specific field and be good with your words. Coaching, consulting, and presenting at events are all excellent methods to make money from a blog. The sixth and final way to make money is to develop a subscription service. Subscriptions are a wonderful method to monetize a blog because some people will pay a monthly price to access unique material if they find value in the information that you give. Now, you should focus on building a loyal audience, not just a large following. This will likely help you make more money in the long run.